time it's to my newest arrival. Yes, it's another Mini, but this time it's a Mini Countryman. The car is Cat N registered, again due to flood damage. It's the Countryman Cooper Classic 1.5 3-cylinder petrol turbo with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's had 2 owners from new, and it's covered 67,551 miles. The bodywork on the outside, although dirty, is in great condition. As far as the inside, well, it's very dirty. I will be removing all the interior, vax cleaning, and then refitting everything. There are some parts missing from the engine, so someone has had a look, so I guess it's going to need a replacement engine, but I will do all my normal checks first. Keep an eye out for the update video when it's finished. You can leave any comments below, or you can contact me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to this video as it does help me out, and I'll see you in the next one.